Hiya everyone, and now I'm going to be opening my first PR packaging. I'm so excited about this. I contacted loads of makeup companies about a month ago now, and no one got back to us. But I contacted Smashbox, Tarte, MAC, Fenty. Fenty actually says no, they weren't working with anyone at the minute. Who else? Let's see, Urban Decay, Makeup Revolution, NYX, Maybelline, Anastasia, Colourpop, Morphe, you name it, all the ones that are around. They've never got back to us, so I feel a bit sad about that. But I did get contacted on Instagram by Backstage Beauty, and they wanted me address, and I've got my PO box set up. So they've sent us me package. It's my first ever PR package since coming back on YouTube. So it's a little bit different, this one. I'm really excited to see what's in it. I have no idea. But they were lovely, and they wanted me address, and they said they loved the videos and let's send you some things. So that was really lovely of them. So I'm gonna do an opening because I haven't looked at it yet. It's all wrapped up. It's it's exciting, and it's my first package as well to my PO box, so I'm really excited about that as well. So we've got, let's have a look, we've got Backstage lashes. Oh, they're lovely. They're called Chelsea Comfortable Fit. Let's have a look. So that's what we've got there. Really excited about playing with them, because does it have glue? Yeah, it does, I think so. Well, it's saying it's adhesive included. Brilliant, brilliant, thank you. Because I always get eyelashes and I do want to include adhesive, but they do, so that's really, really good. Now I'm going to open this one, the package that's inside. It's really exciting, this. Oh, they're all just bubble wrap. I love the bubble wrap, you'll see what I mean. Look at the colour, isn't that pretty? There's two of these in here. Let's have a look. No idea what's in here, you know. Thank you for sending these. Hope you get to see the video. Oh, what's these? Oh, wow. Wow. Bless, what have I just been saying? What have I just been saying in my last video? What did I need? Brushes. I've got my own brushes, but look at that. They've sent us a full set of brushes. Oh, and it's got all the prices of the different brushes on the back there. I will put the I'm going to put a link up to the website for you so you can check them out. I'd never heard of them before, but I have lived in the dark, so we've got this one here. This is the eye blender brush. Cags! Stop it. Just sucking at tootsies, it's awful. And then we've got large eye blender. I'll get all the... Oi! Stop it. Stop it. I'll get all these out properly, and I can't wait to play about with them. They look really lovely. I love the pink on them, and they've got like a rose gold ferrule. Shadow shader. I can't believe I've just been saying that I needed some more brushes, because the ones I've got, they're great for eyes, but I don't really have many face brushes. So this one is Precision Pencil. Can't have enough pencil brushes. Can't have enough eyeshadow brushes. I go through so many. This one is a brow sculptor. Double-ended. Wow. Can't wait to try these out. Oh, now this is what I meant. I needed like a blush brush. So this is angled powder. See how it's angled? Because I've been needing something like that. I've got like I've got mine, but it's not angled unless I make it angled. So that's brilliant. I'm over the moon with that. Can't wait to try these out. This one is foundation buffer. Brilliant. So it's stubby. It's going to get right in there. Brilliant. And then we've got contour blush sculptor. So it's like a different shape brush. This is what I mean. When I got mine made, all these shapes and sizes weren't available, and I'm like, oh, I need them bits and pieces for my face. So I like a little artist tool pack here. It's brilliant. Concealer blender. So that one's got a net over it, but I can imagine it being It's like a, you know, it's kind of like that with a little, a bit like the foundation brush. I can see through the pack. It's like that, but thin. Lovely. They're brilliant. So many brushes there. We've got another pack here by the looks of it. What we got? Oh, there's more lashes. Ooh, right. So we've got Soho. I didn't even see that. I said Soho. I've got bad experiences of Soho. I did like being in Soho in New York though. Really loved it. I love being there, and I can't wait to go back again. We've got, let's have a look, Backstage Beverly Hills. They're really gorgeous. Can't wait to play with these, and I think they all come with adhesive. These ones do. They probably do as well. They've seen like a 1, 2, 3 steps, so I can't wait to play with them. And I love the bubble wrap. Love, love, love the bubble wrap. It's the extra touches, isn't it? Hang on, let's have a look. What's this? Ooh, what's this? It's a palette of some sort. Ooh. Hang on. Okay, let's have a look. Right, so Girls Night Out Backstage. It's an, looks like an eyeshadow palette, I think. Let's have a look. I don't want to get this open. I'm absolutely loving all these palettes because they're just so easy. You just grab something and you can make a look. I'm going mad for them at the minute. So there we go. It's inside. I'm going to let you see before I do. So stuff will probably fall out onto you. Oh. Oh. Oops. Right. I'm just going to clean something up here because the black has crumbled and fell out, and I don't want that going on the floor and getting dragged in by the dogs, so clean that up. My finger's filthy with all this here. Hang on. Give us 2 seconds, I'm just cleaning up. Because it's cracked a little in the pack. What a shame. The pack's lovely and all. Lovely. Hang on. Oh no! It's gone everywhere, it's crumbled. Hang on. Oh, don't do that. Right, we're going to have to be very careful with this. And it's super pigmented. It's everywhere. I've got it all over my leg. It's gone through my tights and everything. Oh, hang on. I'm going to have to go careful to the bin that. Oh, I know it's everywhere. I have to be careful when I show you this. Right, excuse the hands, they're full of black pigment. So we've got lovely colours here. Wow. We've got a scared case that bottom one jumps out. But you've got Midnight. Yeah, Hunty, Nudes, 420. 420 is going to be fun. Look at that. Coffee. Coffee? Can I have a coffee? Daddy. Daddy's all over the place. Bloody Mary. Kiki. Kiki. I like Kiki. Porn Star Martini. Hun. Woo Woo. Babe. Prosecco. Pout. Are you getting to see these or not, are you? Rose, Bestie, 24 Carat, and Sequin. Sequin's stunning. Look at them up close. They are beautiful. Can't wait to play with these. And by the looks of that black, the colour is good. But it's very pigmented, so you don't have to put a little bit on. I'm going to do a little dip in a couple of these. I'm going to go Sequin. That's Sequin. Oh, Rose looks beautiful. I like that. I've got filthy hands though. 420. Look at that bottom one. Should I put a bit of that on? Yeah. Oh wow, that's my favourite. Look at that. Hi caramba, I can't wait to play with that one. Oh, this is brilliant. Thank you very, very much. Absolutely lovely. And I can't thank you enough for all the brushes as well. I can't believe it's just what I was saying I needed. That is so weird, isn't it? Come on. There's some weird things happened lately. I can't even explain them, but it makes you think coincidence is not coincidence. It's really crazy. Right? Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm going to clean my hands up and then I've got to get cracking. I've got to eat something very fast and then I've got to get out the house like soon as. So I really, really, really hope you've enjoyed. Again, I've lost my remote. I do this every time, but it is somewhere here, right? Isn't it? Where have I put it? I'll be sitting on it. Come on. Just keep that. I found it right under my ears. Right, I hope you've enjoyed. Thanks very much for watching, and thank you very much for my first PR to my first PO box. You've made this little girl feel very special today. Thank you. Zoom zoom.